Hi, I'm Kyle, Director of Product Marketing for the Cable Backplane Systems team here at Amphenol, and I'm here with a live demonstration of our HD2 cable backplane system. We have a pretty exciting demo here. We have a live demonstration of an active cable backplane using our HD2 interface. We're actually driving this with our partner Marvell. We have a 112 gig SerDes that's driving the demonstration here today, driving BER through the cable assembly. We have a HD2 cable that's connected through our HD2 RAF on one end, through a retimed connection in the middle, and then back to a HD2 cable and a RAF on the other end. We think this is very exciting because we are looking to once again boost and extend the length of copper to the next generation. This particular demonstration, we're actually showing a 3-meter copper cable at 112 gig per lane. In the demonstration, we're showing just a raw BER, no FEC added. It's showing anywhere from 1e to the -8 or better on all 4 lanes. HD2 is one of the densest interfaces in the industry right now. It's gaining a lot of adoption in AI/ML systems in particular. It enables a lot of interesting rack architectures, and this is kind of the next step in adding a retimer into the middle of that so we can, again, boost the total reach of copper cable. We have a version of this that's not running right here, but you can again see the HD2 cable going through the retimer here in the middle and back to the HD2 on the other end. So again, very exciting stuff, continuing to drive copper innovation further and further and make sure that we can continue using copper for the next generation. Thank you.